My name is Rakesh Handoo. As far as my education is concerned, I have done my BE in civil engineering from BITS Pilani in 1995. I continued with my education and finished my diploma in marketing management from IMT Ghaziabad. Then I followed it up with a PGDBA from Symbiosis. Continuing from there, I did my executive general management program in marketing and management again from IIM Bangalore in 2012. As far as profession goes, this is my 23rd year of working. I have worked with people and companies having presence across the globe, with multinationals like ICI Paints from the famous Dulux brand, 3M, one of the most innovative companies in the world, Bosch for 7 years based out of Bangalore, and now I work for a German multinational which is a global leader in cleaning equipment and services called Karcher. Our office is located in Noida, and I head the business for Home and Garden division in India. Well, as you said, I consider myself as a traditional marketer because I come from the 70s. My birth is from the 70s, and I always think that my customers being very young organizations, it's difficult to actually sit in a boardroom and talk to them the way they talk in terms of terminology, the jargon, and the essence of the talk was always lost because the platform between my knowledge and theirs there was a difference. So I thought that this relearning, unlearning, and new learning was something which needed to be done in the digital space, as a digital presence is essence of today's marketing. So I went ahead and did the digital marketing course. Well, considering the fact that I had a business in India with pan-India presence, it's very, very difficult practically to find time and to attend classes. With the virtual education being projected and actually taken as the new way of education all across the globe, it was imperative that something which can be done digitally or from the comfort of your home was required. Well, it was a holistic program. It is to the point, and that is where the benefits are derived from. Now, if you say the topmost benefit that I have actually taken away from my tryst with Digital Vidya is that today, if I sit across and discuss with my marketing team, I am much more in control when they speak the modern digital space language, and that is where the benefit is derived from. Digital Vidya was actually suggested by a lot of acquaintances who have been in the digital space, because I come across a lot of people on a daily basis. Also, what I really liked about Digital Vidya was their presence online, which means the kind of email marketing typically that Digital Vidya does, the follow-ups that Digital Vidya does, and the credentials and the reviews online were absolutely tremendous. I actually thought that this would be the best place to get educated from on digital marketing. I would say absolutely smooth. The classrooms, the instructors, the coordinators all function very seamlessly, and at the end deliver what is world-class education. I am a very firm believer of the touch, feel, try way of selling things and marketing things. On an online space, it's very, very difficult. But what actually impressed me was the complete commitment of the instructor towards involving everybody in the class. So, for example, we were like 26 people in a class, and most of them were young. With the experience, probably more than anybody else there in the classroom, it was sometimes the instructor was very forward thinking enough to put in situations wherein you require a traditional marketing approach along with sales experiences to fortify your argument. And that's where my domain expertise came in, and I could actually contribute to the class and in turn learn from the other 25 people in the class because of their modern approach towards marketing. As a matter of fact, the assignments are relatively easy to actually finish and do if one goes through the content and understands the content thoroughly. However, whenever I was in doubt, the instructor and the coordinator were always there to help. Well, the final project was actually a combination of all the individual modules. So I would say that while doing the individual modules, I could really have, I would say, being from sales and marketing, I cannot put a number to it, but I would say I was very elated to be a part of this. That would be the feeling that I would say that I would have doing this course. Of course, yes. That's a given. Why I'm saying it with so much of confidence is that actually in my organization, the product manager and the marketing manager along with me took the course together. That's the biggest testimonial of how impressed I am with the methodology given by Digital Vidya. Well, Digital Vidya is at the forefront of the online education space in India. You are at the right place at the right time. With the entire dynamics globally changing about marketing, one needs to educate the masses about the new trends, like I mentioned earlier, as the social media marketing, the search engine marketing, the search engine optimization, web analytics, Google analytics, all these new things coming up in the market, and people becoming very socially aware, having a very big social presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. All this put together, Digital Vidya is doing a fantastic job of educating the masses in India on in the comfort of their homes, their offices, and delivering quality education. I can say with pride that being a part of the Digital Vidya initiative, the instructors level, the level of the coordinators, the course itself, the methodology, the evaluation process is world class. I wish all the luck to the Digital Vidya team. May the force be with you. Thank you.